Okay, so we're given the volume, which is 24 centimeters cubed, of a square-based open-topped prism. So I'm going to say this is sort of what our prism looks like. So if it's square-based, these bottom parts are the same, and the height is something that we're not sure of. And I'm going to assume that the open top means that there's a hole at the top of our prism here. So we know that the volume of this will be equal to x squared h. And so we have 24 as our volume. And we're looking for surface area here. So surface area will be the bottom square, so x squared, plus 4 times each of the 4 sides, so xh. And so let's find an expression for height here that we can plug it into our surface area. So divide both sides by x squared, and we get 24 over x squared. So let's plug that in here. We get x squared plus 4x times 24 over x squared. And we see that these will simplify. So we have 4 times by 24, which is 96, divided by an x at the bottom. So now let's graph this out. Okay, and we graph it out, we get a minimum point that looks like this. So now we can see that the x value will be this x value here, so 3.6 approximately. And this is going to represent our surface area. 39.6 centimeters squared. We also want to find the height for this. So height we found over here in terms of x. So that's nice because we can just plug in x, 3.6 squared. And we get approximately 1.85 as our height. So height, I'll write it down here, 1.85. So here's our dimensions.